The agenda of today's session is like actually one of our candidate. She got selected as an Oracle DBA. So that's why we are here, and she'll be expressing her like journey and how she cracked the interview, what questions she got asked while her interview. Her name is Arpita. Arpita, are you there?
Yes.
Okay, that's great. Okay. The students will ask you a few questions. First of all, just give us your like basic introduction, from which background you came and how you started your journey in Oracle DBA. Then, like in which company or something related to your interview process, how it was. So based on that, the students will also understand like what kind of a questions they'll be having while giving interviews and everything. So yeah, you can just start with your basic introduction. And students, if you have any queries, if you have any questions, once she is done, you can ask her.
Okay. So
You
am I
please
audible,
go ahead.
right?
Yeah, you are audible, Arpita.
Okay. Okay. So shall I start?
Yeah, please.
Yeah. Hi all. I'm Arpita Pradhan, and actually I belongs to Delhi, and I live in also in Delhi, and uh, like I'm having total 2.5 year of experience as a TB to DBA in Wipro company. So currently I'm working in Wipro, and but I want to switch my career to Oracle DBA. So I know about the Ankush sir from YouTube channel, one of the YouTube channel. So from there I got Ankush sir contact, and from there I got the opportunity to take the training from Learnomate Technologies. So from there I have taken my training, and right now this I'm enrolled in this June batch only, and act- uh, and today only I have given my interview, and uh, I got selected, and I got the confirmation also from the one of the MNC. So uh, today only my interview was done. So there they have asked me. I have given only 2.5 year experience there. So and whatever I have mentioned in my resume, all those questions only they have asked me. So it is related to like I haven't mentioned about rack experience. So they just asked me about rack, but in that interview I have told I don't have that much knowledge in rack, so they have not questioned me about rack. So they have just like they have the questions are not very difficult. It was like normal level only, like they have asked me about the user management, table space management. First question only they have asked me, like uh, if the user is execute some update query, so what will happen in the background process. So I have explained them about all the process happening at the background, like what is the role of DB writer process, what is the role of log writer process, and how dirty blocks will created, and how dirty blocks will go to the redo log, and then to the log to archive log. So all these things I have explained, and then the interviewer asked me about like user management, how we can assign we can assign the role to a particular user, or we can assign multiple roles to the user or not, or we can how we can assign the profile to a particular user. And he was asking me normal table space command, how can we resize the table space, all the things which Ankush sir have taught us in the classes. Those questions only they have asked. He has asked me about listener, the role of listener, and he has asked me about step by step about backup and restoration through Armen, and he has asked me about data guard configuration also. So all these things they have asked me, like he has asked me, and the questions are not very difficult. So today only I have given my interview, and I after half an hour only I got the confirmation from HR. So and as well as mail also. So this is how my interview has gone. So all these things happened today only.
Okay. So,
Okay.
Arpita, can you just like focus? Can you just like tell the students that on like which module specifically the interviewers asked you a lot of questions? Like in Oracle DBA only, that there is a lot of modules, right? Like admin, backup,
Yes.
recovery. So on, but like on which particular topic or module you got like you got many questions to ask?
Yes, actually, our batch is not completed yet. So, like till Armin backup, we have learned in our batch. But actually, I have taken the access for the previous batch. So, anyone can take the access for previous batch. So from there, I have gone through the all the recordings and I have made my own notes. So I watched the recordings for each and every session at least 2 times, and I have made my notes by myself only through all the recordings. So those notes has helped me a lot. Like I have learned, I make the note for each and everything through the recordings. What Ankush sir was telling in the recordings and in our live classes also. So I made out my notes. So my notes has helped me a lot through the recordings and. Mainly, I have also gone through the interview session which Ankush sir has provided the access all the interview related questions. So I have gone through that all the recordings which they have provided us, and even main thing like and I have performed all the things practically. I have installed everything in my own PC, and I have performed everything so that I will get the hands-on experience, because particularly interviewer will know if you have hands-on experience or not. They will ask that type of questions in which they will be able to know if you have just theory knowledge or you have hands-on. So you must have hands-on for everything. So whatever sir has taught me, I have installed everything and I got the hands-on from that. So this has also helped me a lot, because actually in my current role in my current company, I am working as a DB to DBA, not for Oracle. So I have worked for Oracle also, but that very basic, like create user and assign the password, all those very basic and monitoring only. So I want to learn deeply about Oracle. I was not getting that much experience from my current company as a Oracle DBA. That's why I came to Ankush sir and I have taken this taken this training, and I have given the interview. Even I have given 2 3 interviews earlier in some startup companies, but there I didn't get selected. So this was my, I think, third interview, I think. So there I got selected. Before I have given 2 interviews more in that was only startup company. So there I didn't get selected. But after that uh, I have like how much you give interviews, from those interviews only you will be able to know your mistakes, from which on which particular areas you need to improve, and you need to get much more experience about that weaker area. So that will definitely help if you give more interviews, and you can create like Naukri profile is very important, and even sir will also help for everything. So you can reach out to sir and our Learnomate teams. So it is all depend on the hard work only. What I got selected because of my hard work and for the Ankush sir training, and that is very good for me and good guidance, everything. So I think every who want to give the interview, please, I think if they will make their notes, so it will definitely help and get hands-on experience on everything. So definitely anyone can crack the interview, because I have given 3 interviews, and all those 3 interviews, the question level are very not very tough. It was like basic only, user management, table space management, listener. They have even asked me what are the mandatory background process are there. Uh, all those things are very basics, and what is like how much what is the default, or how much size you can give your table to table space, like 32 GB we can give, or what is big file table space. So all these things, it is very basic. It is coming in core DB only. So if he will give how much, like 2-3 interviews I've given, and in all the interviews the questions are almost same only. They are asking me the same question only: how we can add the data file, or how we can resize the data file, what are the mandatory what are the mandatory background processes, particularly about 𝐴𝐸𝐸 backup and restore. So in backup and restoration, they are asking each and every step we need to mention. And even for data guard configuration also, if you will tell, they will ask if you are aware about data guard or not. Then they will ask the questions from that. Particularly, they have asked me each and everything from my resume only. So you have to create your resume like that, so that you can easily crack the interview. You can just go through your resume, whatever things you have mentioned, so that those things you have to learn like very clearly, so that you can easily crack the interview. So all this, like I have only this much. Uh, I gained this much experience only after giving interview, and this is my strategy. Like I have prepared my notes, and I have installed all the things, and get hands-on experience. Then, like I got selected. So this is how my strategy was like that only.
Yeah, yeah. First of all, congratulations, Arpita.
Thank you.
Yeah, first interview only you have selected, right? That means first round itself, HR and manager, technical round, everything is
Yes, yes,
including
yes,
in.
yes,
Okay.
yes.
Previously, how much percentage means hike they have given?
They have not released the offer yet. They have just given me the confirmation. So
Okay.
after I will submit all the mandatory documents, then they will release my offer letter.
Okay, that is not discussed, right?
No, actually today only I have given the interview. So today only they have confirmed me by call, and they have sent me the email. After giving all the mandatory documents, then only I will get the offer letter.
Okay, if it is possible, can you share your resume how you prepared in the group? And also in data guard, they have asked any more questions about the data guard, or they
No,
have asked like step by step procedure to tell how to create the database, and if
yes,
the
yes, yes.
𝐸𝐸 is not matched, it's having the huge difference, and primary and standby like that.
Actually, he has asked me about the data configuration. How can we do the data guard configuration? And he was asking me about the what are all the parameters we need to take care while doing the data guard configuration. That only they have asked me. That's it.
What about the upgradation? They didn't ask upgradation,
No, about upgradation, they have not asked me anything.
patching as well.
Yeah,
So
patching as well.
you are not mentioned in the resume, or why you said right? Based
No,
on
no. I have mentioned. I remember I have mentioned, and he was asking me how I generate the reports for health check. So like I have told, like we are using OEM monitoring tool, and ServiceNow for ticketing tool. So we are getting all the health check reports from OEM through email alerts, like if my database got shut down or my backup is completed or not. So all
okay.
these things they have asked.
Which previous batch you have taken? March only, right?
No, no, this one only, June batch.
No, no, no. You are from June batch only, our batch only. But
Yes,
the previous batch you have completed the syllabus, right?
yes, yes, correct.
March only.
March batch. Yeah,
Yeah, I am also doing the same. Thank you. That's it. Congratulations.
yeah. Thank you.
Hello. Hi, Arpita. Congratulations on your selection.
Yeah, thank you.
Yeah. So, how many technical rounds you have given?
Only one. Today only my technical round was there, and after that there was only one round. After that, HR has called me, and they have sent me the confirmation mail. That's it.
Okay. And for startups only, there were only only one round of technical.
No, it's not the startup. Like I have selected in one of the MNC.
No, no.
So
Earlier you have given in startup.
yes. So for that also, I have only one round was there, but in that round I was not selected.
Okay. And startups questions was quite tough compared to MNC.
Uh, uh, I can tell maybe yes, but 11 was same only, I guess, because mainly they have focused on Armin backups, Armin restore. Because I haven't mentioned about rack, so they have
Okay.
more focused about Armin. Whatever the interview I have given, they have asked me about in startup also. They have asked me the step by step about Armin backup and restoration, and about the backup also, how many backup and how frequently we are taking backups like L1 backup, L0 backup, and what is incremental backup, and in that what is differential and cumulative backup. All these simple things they have asked.
Okay. And one more thing, like just interview was orally, or they have asked you to write queries and all. Is it like that?
No, no, it was orally only. No, they have not asked me anything to write query or anything.
Okay. And does they give any like scenarios, like what will you do? Like only this type of interview, right?
Yes, scenario based. I think they have asked me in the listener. They have asked me a very simple question only. If some of the user are connected already in the database and your database got down, so the existing, so what will happen to that existing user? So it is simple. Like they will
Mm.
connected only. They will not.
Yeah, right.
It will not impact those users. And if any
Oh,
new user request will come, then only it will. They will not be listener will not be able to connect. So
oh,
that only they have asked.
okay. Like I am not from DB background, that's why I asked. Like if you are not from DB background, so from sir's whatever sir have taught, from that we can tackle the sscenario best, right?
Yes, 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 sure. It's like very clearly. If you will, even I also don't know about Oracle. I am only like I am only working DB2. That is also not that much I have knowledge because we are doing only some simple task, SOP based task. So we don't have
Okay.
that much experience as a DB. In through sir lectures only, I have learned everything.
Okay. Thank you.
Hi, Arpita.
Yeah, hi.
Sorry, I missed the starting. Where you are currently working?
Wipro.
Okay. How like for me, I'm like getting calls from interviewers, but they're asking for less what notice period. I am having 3 months of notice period, so they are rejecting that
Okay.
itself. I'm not
No,
getting
you
any
can,
actual interview.
you don't mention 3 months notice period. You can mention as an immediate joiner or 15 days less. Then only you will, I think they will schedule an interview because for 3 months, it is very difficult, difficult they will give. Like they will schedule an interview. After interview, you can negotiate.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hi.
How much experience you are having currently?
Uh, I am, like I have total 2.5 year of experience.
Okay. Thanks.
Hi, Orpita. 𝐒𝐿𝐿 this side.
Yeah.
What is the name of MNC company?
Actually, I will tell it's Accenture.
Okay, okay. Congratulations. Thank you.
Thank you.
Hi Arpita, congratulations.
Hi. Thank you.
Actually, I am not from DBA background, but now I am learning. I am from MSBI.
Okay.
Mm, okay. You are getting posted in which location? It is Pune or Mumbai or somewhere else?
Like somewhere else, it's Ahmedabad location actually.
Ahmedabad. Oh,
Yeah.
okay, okay. Good job, good job.
Yeah. Thank you.
Or congrats to Ankush sir.
Hi, Prasad. This is Shadab here. Actually, I'm asking about the like first of all, congratulations to you. And
Thank
my
you.
question is regarding that the interview questions. So, have they asked about any troubleshooting type of thing in the interview?
No, I have mentioned in my introduction. First, I have mentioned about a little bit about performance tuning. Like I mentioned, just if we got any issue for performance tuning, we will, if application team will complain us about some performance issue, so we will try to resolve it. And if it will not resolve, then we will, sometime we will raise the SR request to Oracle support also. But I have just mentioned in my I have tried to mention everything in my introduction part, like little bit, not that much. But he has not asked me about anything about performance tuning related things. He has just I have told now he has just asked me very normal questions. It's not that much difficult or it's not that much basic. Also, it was medium level only. So scenario based, I have already told. He has asked me about listener. So, and he has asked me about if some, like on starting, I have told if the user is executing some update query, so what will happen in background. All these things only he has asked, and he has asked something about Oracle architecture, and he has even asked me if your archive destination got full, so what you can do, what are the steps you can perform. All these very simple things he has asked, not about that much difficult or like, so that it was normal only.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah.
Okay, hi Arpita. This is Shakti.
Hi.
Yeah,
Hi.
actually this is a good thing. We would able to connect good kind of initiative that the institution has taken in order to connect with who is getting selected in which companies. So keep in touch.
Yeah, sure.
Thank you. Congratulations again.
Yeah, thank you very much.
How much they have offered Accenture to you for 2.5?
No, my offer is not released yet. I have to submit today only. Actually, my interview. What I have done done with the interview, and I got the confirmation from HR and mail also. I need to submit some mandatory documents. Then only my offer will release. They have not released my offer yet.
Okay, so you didn't had the salary discussion with HR?
No, nothing. They haven't discussed anything about the salary yet.
Oh,
And how much is your notice period in Wipro?
Actually, for Wipro it's 3 months. But actually, what we are enrolled in some MTech program here, some scholar training program, and like we are like my payroll company is Wipro only, or my, well, like I'm permanent employee only, but just we are enrolled in some MTech program. So we have bond of 5 years here, and for we are considered as employee also and student also. So for here we have 1 month of notice period.
Okay.
Yeah.
Hi, Arpana. Actually, I just want to know that you can tell us about what mistakes you have done in your previous interview so that you are not get selected, so that we can get a guide that we have not to repeat that mistake. Can you please tell us?
Oh, yeah, sure. Like in earlier interviews, my syllabus was main thing. My syllabus was not completed because I have just enrolled in June batch. So I was taking live classes also, and and I have taken the recordings from previous batch, but it was not completed. My syllabus was not completed, so I was not well prepared, if I will tell. So that's why my interview was not going that much good. But later I have realized, like, I question was simple only. I need to, if I will complete my syllabus, and I will go through all the recordings, and I will do my note. I will make my notes, and I will do hands-on experience. Then only it will be easy for me. So from previous interview, they have like I came to know I have to mainly focus on hands-on. I have to
Okay,
perform
okay.
each and everything, so that we will be able to know if we will encounter any error or something. So we will be able to know how we can resolve. Then
Yeah,
if we have hands-on only, that's why I'm thinking hands-on is very important.
yeah, okay. Thank you.
Hi, Arpita. So call frequency is good now. So should we start preparing? So how
Yes,
was your
yes.
experience?
Yes, you can definitely try. Like you can create a profile in every platform like LinkedIn, Naukri, and everything. And even you can take help from sir also how you can apply for.
Okay, so it
Or
means market situation is good. There is hiring openings for
for
DBA
experience,
only.
yeah, for experienced with experience was like experienced. I think yes.
Okay.
Hi Arpita,
Yeah,
congratulations.
hi. Thank you.
Before cracking this interview, have you ever worked as a DBA before?
Yeah, I have experience as a Oracle, sorry, DB to DB.
DB to DB. So how far
Yes,
did this training help you?
a lot. Like I have learned everything from trainings only because I have told earlier. Uh, in my current organization, I like we are not getting that much hands-on or that much experience because we are working as a L1 plus only in my current organization. So we are just doing simple task monitoring and all very simple task in DB2 also. And
Okay.
for Oracle, I have also worked, but for Oracle also I have very simple like a create user or reset the
Mhm.
password and all very simple task only I have done. So I don't have that much experience as a DB in my current organization. That's why only I have take this training, and from this training only I have learned my basics, because in my current organization and in any organization we will not be able to learn basics, or if basics are like what is happening in background. Till then we will not be able to know the basics. We will not we be learn any technology. So in like from this training only I have learned everything from starting everything from basics. That's why I got to know everything, like how the things are happening, like at
Mhm.
background, or like uh, how we can handle in real time scenario. So so everything I have prepared from this training only, like I have learned everything from training.
Great, great, congratulations.
Thank you.
Hi, Arpita. Vaishnavi this
Yeah.
side.
Hi.
Congratulations.
Yeah, thank you.
Um, Actually, I wanted to ask. I'm working as MS SQL DBA. So you have worked as a DB to DBA, right? So
Yes.
have you mentioned that in your resume that previously
Yes.
you worked on that and currently you will be working on Oracle, or your throughout experience you have shown in Oracle only?
Actually, we can show we are working. I in my resume I have mentioned that I am working as a DB2 and Oracle both. We can mention both technology also, because here in my current organization I am working as a shared resource. Shared resource
Mhm.
means we are handling multiple clients. So there we are working in DB2 also Oracle. Like I am primarily resource for DB2. Not for Oracle, but in resume I have mentioned I am working as a Oracle DBA and DB2 also I have experience.
Okay, okay.
Yeah.
Have you already shared the questions with us? Sorry, I joined late.
And
A
yeah,
few,
like
the one which you felt it's important.
Yeah, I have already shared in this, and like I have already explained what what were the questions which interviewer has asked me.
No problem. I will listen to this. Thanks.
Hi, Arpita.
Hi,
Congratulations.
thank you.
So you are offline batch or online
No, no,
like it?
online batch only.
Okay, okay, okay. Anyway, it's a great thing. Congratulations again.
Thank you very much.
How many people took your interview, Arpita?
Only one.
Only one. Okay.
Yes.
If like anybody wants to ask anything to Arpita, anyone else?
Uh, you belongs to Learnomate Ankush sir, right?
Yes, like we are
Yes.
from the HR team.
Okay, okay. Ma'am, I would like to know if the offline students all are belongs to local student or somebody is coming and staying in PG, something like that.
Yeah, like we have some students who are like coming from like Jaipur and from Rajasthan. Like many of the students have come and they are living in the PG here.
Okay, okay. PG for a 4 month would be fine, right?
Yeah, like our salesperson, sales executive, they help students to get PGs also. Like they can give the contact numbers, so accordingly the students can like find they can relocate for 4 months.
Okay, okay. If I refer any one of my friend to take offline course, they can come directly to Learnomate and your security will provide the number for PG, something.
Sure, yeah, we can do that.
So if you want to
Any
learn
idea
what
roughly how
skill
much it
is
will take
available
per
in the
month?
Sorry, hello, come again.
Hi,
Any
Srinivasan.
idea?
Thank you, Srinivasan.
Actually your voice is breaking. Can you just repeat once again?
Actually,
Hello.
he's asking about rent, roughly idea about 4 months rent.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah. So it varies from like PG also. It's starting from 4,000 to 8,000
Okay, okay.
per
So,
month. Yes.
thank you, ma'am.
Actually, some of my colleagues which are residing right now in near about the um workers, so they are paying almost 400 was 4,000 or and 5,000 with the mass service as well. So you can come and you can search it out, or else I can refer you if you want. If your friend is coming, then provide my number. Give my number. I'll help him to get the PG.
Sure, sir. Thank you. Thank you.
Yeah. So anyone else? Do you have like like any questions related to the session?
Ankush, right? For resume preparation, you are going to be help or how is it?
Yes. So yeah, we are going to help you out, everyone, to build your resumes as well as your LinkedIn and Naukri profiles.
Yeah, actually one basics of experience resume have sent.
Sure. So I will share. Can you just ping me? Do you have like HR number, everyone?
No, I think we are not.
No, we
Sure.
don't.
So give me a minute. I will put my HR number on this group, so you can contact me on that regarding the like resume building.
Okay.
So
So we
Akansha,
have like
would you-
some
yeah,
templates which we
Okay.
have already made for the students. So accordingly, like whatever you know, whatever you have knowledge about, you can use those, like put
Okay.
accordingly.
Okay, that template will be made to the ATR score 80 or 90, right? Why? Because Now everyone is using the AI tools to filter out the resumes.
Uh, you can reach out on the number which we have provided,
Okay.
so we can like help you out with all the resume building. Also, like with the June batch, I think so, evening batch, right? So soon we are going to like take one HR session with you. In that we will guide you regarding the all the resume, how to build your resume and everything.
And what
Okay.
about the profile presentation? How we can present our profile previously? If we are going to show the experience like 2 3 years experience, so how I can explain? So the profile presentation session is going to happen or not?
Yeah,
Yes,
yeah, yeah.
yes.
We will conduct the session like based on like if you have any career gaps in your like employment history, or else if you have any education gap, we will help you out to manage that gap. Okay. So don't worry about that. Just let us know that whenever you all are available, so that on some day we will conduct the session. On in that I'll be explaining you the freshers template, like how to build your resume in like as a fresher, what content you should put, what content you should mention in your resume, as well as for the experience. If you have any um gap, or if you want to hide that gap, what content you should put in your CV. So every single details I'll be mentioning on the session only. So just let us know whenever you are free, so accordingly we'll arrange one session for you all.
Okay, sure. Thank you.
Yeah. Anybody have any doubts so far, like related
Can
to
you share
session,
your
like
number in the chat again?
yeah, I have messaged our HR team's number.
Disconnected again.
The
It's
chat.
now it's not showing actually.
Okay, just give me a minute. I'm sending you.
Yeah, I have like put it in the chat.
Okay.
You can like refer from there.
So, how can we connect? Like through WhatsApp message, or we can call you in the office time itself?
Yeah,
Yeah,
you
you
can
can.
call us, or otherwise you can message us on WhatsApp.
Thank you.
Yeah.
On which group did you share the number? Which
I'm
WhatsApp
sorry.
group?
On chat box, please check in
No,
chat
no. In
box.
the chat box, I have shared
Okay,
the number.
here. Okay, thanks.
I hope everybody got the HR's number, right?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am,
Yes,
actually,
ma'am.
before 10 days, I have just pinged you the resume as well on the
Okay.
given
May I know your
number, but I did not get a response.
may I know your number? Sorry, name.
Yes, Muhammad Mubin.
Muhammad. Okay, just let me just check once, because nowadays, like everybody was messaging, so maybe there could be a like possibilities we missed this. So I'll just check once, okay? But don't worry,
Sure.
we'll provide every single person here, so we will help everyone out here, okay? So even though if we didn't give you a reply, no, just call us. You can directly call us in between 10 to 6, okay?
Okay, fine.
Yeah.
Still, we have classes, right? Or are we done?
Oh yeah, today we
Not
have
today.
an this session. Then
In DBA, upsyllabus is there. Just
I'm
it
sorry.
was created Harman. Upgradation, patching, and data guard, ASM, everything will be pending.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, so like, is there anybody like, do you all have any questions to Arpita or for us? If you have any questions for HRs, you can ping us on that number. Okay, as of now, like we are done, or like should we just consider like if everybody is done with their questions, or like is there anyone still have any queries related to interviews and anything? You can ask Arpita.
Hello.
Hello, yeah.
Hi, ma'am. I have question to Arpita.
Okay.
Hi, Arpita. Are you there?
Yes, hi.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
I also have a same kind of experience. Like I have also 2.5 years of experience. So I wanted to ask you, like, how many calls you were getting after after you set a 15 days notice period on Naukri?
Uh, like 2 or 3 calls in a day, like that.
It was interview was getting scheduled, or just you are getting calls?
I'm getting calls, and sometime my interview got scheduled also. Sometime I just got the calls like that only.
Okay. And are you on notice period currently?
No, I'm not on notice period.
You have not resigned yet?
No. Once
Okay.
I
So,
got the offer letter, then only I will
and
resign.
what's your strategy? Can you please share?
Like I have told earlier, I have made all the notes for myself after watching all the recordings that which they
Not that.
No,
Like how
he's
you tackle notice period.
notice period 3 months will be there, right? You said you can put 1 month on immediately joining.
okay.
If the interview
Yeah,
also, then
yes.
negotiations they will once interview is done also they will take it as then after that we can tell them to we have 3 months.
Yes, or yeah, you can negotiate. And actually, my official notice period is 1 month only.
Okay.
Yeah.
Uh, HR team, I'm asking you, this case, how can we say we can put in the profile, the 3 months notification means we will get the rare case calls.
Firstly, like when they ask you, like if you have 3 months, like mostly they ask you your notice period. So you can tell them that you have 3 months of notice period, but you can get released as soon as possible, as you are like done with your project or something. You can tell them. And mostly all companies are not like making you wait for the 3 months.
Okay,
So
that we can inform that it will be negotiable, but we need to just check
yes,
with
yes, that you have to inform, because like they
HR.
are hiring on the urgent basis. No company can like the maximum they can give you 30 days to join. So you have to convince them accordingly that you can join the company within the 30 days.
Okay, after that also we can delay also they will wait.
Or
Mostly,
otherwise,
but
or, or otherwise, you can do one thing. If you are not getting calls, like if you are not getting any calls for interview, what
Okay.
you can do is you can on your portals like Naukri portals and the Indeed portals, you can hello
Okay. Yes,
hello, am
please.
I audible?
Yes, you can please.
Yeah, what you can do is you can mention on your Naukri portals, like Naukri is there, Indeed is there, right? So you can
Yes.
mention an immediate joiner or like within 15 days you can join. So at least from HR or from the company management, you will get a call. At least you just go for an interview. While giving interview, you can tell them that your notice period is for 3 months, but yeah, I can negotiate that or we can negotiate that. So accordingly, at least you will also get the chance to give the interview and you will also able to know that what kind of questions they ask. Even though you didn't get selected, that's the another point. But at least you will get the calls and you will start with the process.
Okay,
Okay,
confidence we get. After that we can resign also.
exactly right.
Yeah, before that also we will check with our HR. It will be negotiable or how it is.
Yeah. Mhm.
Ma'am, after completion of the course, do we get a certificate from the Learnomate?
Yeah, yeah, yeah. You will get.
If yes, then how we should apply on the resume? So it
No, you
is
don't have. Okay, so you have to mention that on your resume that you have completed this course, right? So,
yeah.
so once you are done with your course now, like if you are a fresher or if you are experienced, like I'll tell you the pattern. Like accordingly, you'll have to mention that you have done your Oracle DBA training by Learnomate Technologies. Then the duration. So I'll like I'm not able to I'll not able like how to explain you or like as of now I'm not I don't have anything to explain you all. But while like whenever we conduct HR session, na, so I'll explain you all like where to put the name, then skills, and like the pattern. I'll explain to you all.
Sure.
Okay. But yeah, you can
Sure.
mention that, and we will provide you the certification as well.
Got it.
Yeah. Anybody have any doubts? Anything else?
No, I think.
Okay, then let's okay. Okay,
Yeah,
then
it was
can we
great actually for us.
yeah.
Yeah, thanks for Learnomate as well, Arpita and HR team.
Thank
Mainly
you so
Akusha.
much.
He postponed his class today.
Yeah. So just for you all that you should get like you also able to understand what kind of a questions they got asked while giving the interviews and everything. So you won't fall back. Okay.
Yes, yes.
So
Yeah, actually,
one I guess one candidate is there, Razi, I guess. Her name is Razi, I guess. In interview, what are the topics they covered, including rack? I guess this question is for Arpita. Arpita, are you there?
Yes. No, they haven't asked me about rack because I haven't mentioned anything in my resume.
yes,
Okay.
she have
So
already
yeah,
answered.
one more thing is there. Like I wanted to ask you, Arpita. Like mostly, like people are doing the rack. So after 2.5 years or 3 years after, is there anything that like they have mentioned related to rack or something?
Yeah, actually, they have asked me, do you have any experience on rack? But I haven't mentioned in my resume. So I have told like I don't have hands-on experience about rack.
Mm-hmm.
I just know the simple basics. So they have told like it's okay. After that, they haven't asked me anything about rack.
Okay, okay, okay,
Yeah,
okay,
they have asked me about data guard configuration after that.
okay.
Yeah.
Mostly what happens, like anyone is like putting the in resume like 3+ years of experience. For them, the rack is compulsory
Compulsory. Correct.
for the experienced one, like more than 3+years. What types of
What is the job session?
so
If we put it our external certificate means, then they will consider for us, right? Means even though we have 3 months notice period, also they will take it as. Or how is it?
yes, yes, like but mostly see the company is hiring because they have like immediate basis they are looking for someone. So you have to convince them accordingly that you can negotiable your 3 months notice period,
Okay.
as well as you have to negotiate with your HR also, the current company HR.
Yeah, if only we will check once with him.
Yeah.
Hi,
Okay,
Akansha.
Yes.
Uh,
Hello.
what's your observation? Like, in which month, there are more openings?
See, currently openings are going on. Like I have seen many companies are there who are hiring, but mostly what I have seen, like they are hiring 3+years of people right now, as of now.
Like, is there any month hiring is on peak? Like,
November, December,
okay,
mostly it will be
thanks.
that. After Diwali, they will start the hiring
Okay.
on a peak. Yeah.
Okay. I have almost 6+ months of gap from my previous job to like upcoming. So can you help me to fill it out or help me with the answers?
Yeah,
Oh,
we
sure. Yeah. Shivam, can we like connect on WhatsApp, or you can give me a call so we can like separately we can discuss about it properly.
That would be great, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Sure. So related to HR, we will like whatever the related to placement, resume building, and like the career gap, everything. We will like take one another session like HR session. In that we will discuss about this everything. Okay,
Sure, ma'am. Thank
sure.
Okay.
So for
Now, if you have any questions for Arpita, you can ask. What type of jobs are scheduled for 2.5 years of experience candidate?
Arpita, maybe like she's asking for you this question.
I didn't get it. What type of jobs? Means,
Skills, maybe. What skills?
about Oracle only, I have mentioned Oracle, and in my current company, I am working as a DB to DBA also. So that experience also I have mentioned.
I guess
No, like what
that
skills
person
you
is,
have mentioned?
yeah, that person is asking you about the, I guess, which I've already mentioned earlier, like what kind of on which particular module you got asked, like few questions, like there is table space management, user management, or
Yes,
like admin, on which particular topic the mostly, like mostly they have asked you questions related to that particular module.
okay. Mostly they have asked about 𝐼𝐴 backup and restore. So backup, like they have asked mainly questions from backup and restoration and step by step. And data guard also they have asked me the configuration about data guard, how we can configure data guard, and mostly these things. And in core DBA, like these are also coming in core DBA, but like user management and table space management, all these things they have asked.
Okay.
Did they mention
Okay.
about any of your future roles and responsibility, JD, job description for you, Arpita?
Yes, can you repeat this?
Did they mention anything about the job description that you would be handling in future?
No, they haven't mentioned anything about project or anything. They have just mentioned about Oracle DBA to 2+ year experience. That's it.
Okay, thanks.
Okay. Anybody have any questions? Anybody has any questions?
Hi, Arpita. Hello.
Yes, yes. Hi.
Yeah. Okay, like they are like interview are asking about regarding like Linux, any like Linux commands, anything like
No, no, nothing about
basic
any.
things. Okay,
No.
only the core DBA related. Okay.
Yes, yes.
Okay. Hi, Arpita. I just pinged you on LinkedIn. Can you please share me your resume?
Okay, I will share. I will share.
Okay, thanks.
Hello, Raz. Actually, she's not joined the company yet, so she also don't know like for 2+2.5 years experience person what work responsibilities have been given. So once she gets joined there, she can able to tell about that. Arpita, like have you mentioned about performance tuning?
Yes, I have mentioned in my introduction, but they have not asked me anything related to performance.